In today's video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub to Claude AI step by step. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press Enter. From the results, click on the official Claude website by Anthropic. Once the website opens, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. After logging in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or name. This will open your account menu. From here, click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, find and select the Connectors section. This is where you can link external services to Claude. Now, look for GitHub in the list of available connectors and click on Connect. At this point, you'll be redirected to GitHub's authorization page. If needed, sign in to your GitHub account. You may be asked to choose whether you're connecting a personal account or an organization and to select which repositories you want to give access to. It's recommended to choose only specific repositories to keep your data secure and controlled. After reviewing the permissions, click Authorize to complete the connection. Once done, you'll be redirected back to Claude, where GitHub should now show as connected. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. That's it. Claude can now access the repositories you allowed, helping you with tasks like explaining code, generating documentation, or answering project-related questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.